This is a short video on how to use the dashboard. So in front of you, when you log in, you will always come to the first screen, which is the dashboard, as you can see here. We'll go through all of the items on it in each one. So on the left here, obviously they've got the date and where you are. And these buttons down here are telling you that you need to do things. So awaiting for a job sheet, which might be a job that's been completed by your engineer, but they haven't sent the job sheet in. So if you click that, it's going to take you to that list, and then you can follow them up. In this case, there isn't any, so that's great. Jobs in progress. So these are the amount of jobs that are being done at the moment, which is stage 8C. Again, click that and you'll have a list of all those jobs. Action required. So here's 5 jobs here that I need to do something with. So if I click them, I can see here now that they are at different stages, but they still need some action. So that one's stage 8, which means I need to order some materials. Same for that one, same for that one. This one means we've sent out a deposit request and it hasn't been paid, so we can't take it to the next stage. Projects completed this month, none. Invoices overdue, 2. So there we go. Inquiries outstanding, none, so we've cleared them. So this is a good dashboard because it means that we're working pretty hard here. New orders created, none. Field team members available. That means how many, as you might imagine, how many engineers I have available today to do jobs, and I've got 10. Appointments I've created today are 4. Tasks I've been set, none, and quotes outstanding. Obviously there is an enormous amount here, and that does need addressing. So if we click that, we can see that these are all the quotes that we've sent out and that we've never had a response from the customer to tell us what to do next. So at some stage we need to follow all of those up, keep them more manageable really. This graph here is a list of the stages that all of the orders are this month. So most of these at the minute are closed. Some have been rejected on quotes. These panels can be replaced by other bits of third-party software if you even want to. And then we move to our financial overview. So we have our pipeline, which is basically what we're expecting to get in by the end of the month, the revenue that we've already generated, the total costs, which is if we've added our costs such as materials and services, that will be an accurate figure, and finally how much profit we've made so far. Moving down here, this is a quick button for the settings, same as that one. So if we click that, this will take us to our account, and so we can manipulate it and set it up and tweak it as we want. User, so these are the users that we have in the system. Help will take us to the Flobot help site, the YouTube one in this case. Support, that takes us to the support site. My tasks, probably the same as that. Any tasks that have been left, none for me. And what's new, we put stuff under here for the new, for anything that's new with Flobot. So click there and you'll see the latest releases and so on and so forth. Finally up here we have our map, and this shows us where our engineers are. So we can see that we have one over here, another one down here, Crystal Palace, and another one up here, which is by Herne Hill, and we can see that there's actually 2 there. So if we tap one off, we can see they're probably in the same location, and we can see what device they're on. So an Apple in this particular instance. Well, looks like all of them are on Apples. And then finally, just to go across the top here, we have the search bar. So we type in anything we like in there and it will come up. Our settings again, our users and our tasks. And that is the end of this short video.